Morning everyone. Sorry for the voice, I'm feeling a little bit under the weather, but we're here to shoot. This is officially my first league as Classic, so it's the wrong way to do it, I know, but that's okay. Just here to do some training for the upcoming nationals. Alright.
Are you ready?
Ready.
Stand by. Finished and let's go clear. Clear, hammer down, holster. Last strength, clear, 1766.
He's hot pepper.
Ready.
Stand by.
Come on.
Finished and let's go clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. Yeah,
Longest reload ever! Ready.
stand by. Finished and let's go clear. If clear, hammer down. Holster. Range is clear.
Oh, there it is. Stage 1. Going alright so far. A little bit rusty, but not too bad. I'm enjoying it.
Ready. Stand by. Finished. Unload show clear.
Bah!
Hammer down. Holster. 9:21.
Are you ready? Stand by. If you're finished, unload and check clear. Hammer down, holster. Range is clear, score and clear.
Ready? Stand by. Finish, unload show clear. Clear, hammer down, holster. Range is clear, 10:36. Are you ready? Stand by. Finish and lunch. Clear, it's clear. Hammer down, holster. 7, 8, 9. Stand by. Nicely done. Finish, unload, show clear. If clear, hammer down, holster. 10:53. Nicely done.